Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So I've noticed something with YouTube lately. I'm seeing my views increase a little bit on the back end. So the views are going something like, stagnant, slightly going up a little bit, and there we go. Right? So that's how views are looking on the back end on one of my channels. However, the ad revenue on this channel is looking something like this. Okay, so just stagnant, kind of following along the views, and then all of a sudden it's just kind of slowly doing like that, right? So views in ad revenue. I'm just really curious, are you guys seeing something similar on your channels? Like it just doesn't really make sense. You would think the views, like as they continue to go up, the ad revenue would also continue to go up instead of down. So a little bit confused as to what's going on. I know YouTube is making some changes to how they're placing ads on videos coming in November. I think before you were able to place ads where you wanted to on videos longer than 8 minutes. However, moving forward, they're going to be automatically placing ads wherever they want on the video. So after, I'm pretty sure it's like in November some point, I'm not sure if it's in the beginning or not, but moving forward, creators will not have the chance to place ads wherever they would like to. Sometimes it works out for creators because they could plan out like, okay, right here, there's going to be a spot where an ad is going to place. So nothing's going to happen, or maybe like a cliffhanger moment that's going to do that. Instead now, YouTube is just going to randomly place them so they could have ads placed on a random spot where somebody's talking and it just kind of interrupts them and cuts the flow of the video. So that's not going to be great for the viewer experience. And also they are now trying to stop people from using ad block on YouTube. So that means that some people are just going to see more ads on videos, and who knows, maybe they'll try to go to another video platform. But then again, there really isn't any creator platform that's like bigger than YouTube at the moment. But maybe this will encourage some of the competitors to kick up their game, and maybe they'll actually be a legitimate competitor to YouTube in terms of post-production videos. So let me know what you guys think. Are you guys being affected by the ads that are showing on videos? Is your ad revenue down? And just curious to see what platform would you guys go to if YouTube continue to make some of these changes that aren't preferred by viewers such as yourself. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.